Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to edit or change your Reddit avatar. So log into your Reddit account right now if you already have not. You need to look over to the top right section of the navbar. In here you will find your Reddit username. Simply click on it. Well, there are lots of options available. You can toggle on or off your online status. You can go to your profile. And the most important thing, style avatar. Simply click on it. Now you'll be redirected to this page from which you can edit or change your avatar. Let's go to explore. Well, there are lots of options here. Let's try clicking on this one, koala. There are lots of options here. I'm gonna select this one. As you can see on the right hand side, your avatar is changing correspondingly. Now let's go to the style tab. So there are lots of things from which we can choose from: tops, bottoms, face, and lots of it. And if you go to the tab named You will see your past looks. You can choose from here as well. It's completely up to you and you can create your own collective avatars, your own work. But for now, I'm satisfied with this. This is my avatar. Simply click on save if you are okay with it. You can also download this avatar or share it. You can undo it as well if you click on this button. You can redo it if you click on this button again. After everything is okay, simply hit on save. And that's it guys, that is how you change or edit your Reddit avatar. Thanks for tuning in, we appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.